Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet out this beautiful and multi-purpose cotton flower pattern. This is what it looks like. To make this pattern, you're going to have yarns, crochet hook and a pair of scissors. Okay, now let me show you how to make it. Firstly, make slip knot. Then make chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make slip stitch in chain 1. Then make chain 3. Make 3 double crochet in the circle. Make chain 2 and make 4 more double crochet in the circle. Now chain 3, then the work. Make 1 incomplete double crochet in next of 3 stitches, 2, 3, then make chain 2 in the last stitch, 1, 2, yarn over, pull it through all loops. Then make chain 2, 1, 2, and make a picot stitch. After that, make 3 single crochet in the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Then make 1 slip stitch, followed by chain 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, 1 more slip stitch. Then make another slip stitch on the first stitch. Then chain 2, 1, 2, make 3 incomplete double crochet. 1, 2, 3, and make chain 3 through the chain space. Insert the hook here, grab the yarn, make chain 3. 1, 2, 3, then yarn over, pull it through all loops. Chain 2, 1, 2, send the work, and make a picot stitch through these 2 loops. This is picot stitch. Then make 3 single crochet in a chain space. 1, 2, 3. Okay, the first pattern is done. Now I'm going to make the second one. Make slip stitch in this 3 chain space. After making the slip stitch, make chain 3. This is what it looks like. Okay, now make chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Make 3 double crochet in a chain space. 1, 2, 3. The first chain 3 is counted as first double crochet. Then chain 2, make 4 more double crochet in the same space. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, this is what it looks like. After that, make chain 3 again, turn the work, then make 3 incomplete double crochet in next 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, make chain 2 through the last stitch. 1, 2, then yarn over, pull it through all loops, chain 2, 1, 2, and make a picot stitch. Then make 3 single crochet in the chain space. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch in chain 2 space, then chain 3 again. 1, 2, 3, slip stitch, then make 1 slip stitch on the first stitch, chain 2, 1, 2, make 3 incomplete double crochet in next 3 stitches, 2, 3, then make chain 3 through the previous chain space. This is chain space, then make 3 chain through this space. I'll repeat it again. Go to this space. Okay, now make 3 chains. After that, yarn over, pull it through all loops, followed by chain 2. This is 1 and 2. Turn the work, make picot stitch. Okay, after the picot stitch, make 3 single crochet in a chain space. 1, 2, 3. It's super easy, isn't it? Then make 1 slip stitch in the space of the chain 3. Okay, like this. Okay, have a look. This is what the pattern looks like. Then make chain 3 to start the new patterns. Repeat this pattern to get the length you desire. This is mine. I make 6 pairs of cotton blower. Now I'm going to show you how to end this project. This is the 6 patterns. Make chain 3. Okay, then turn the work. Then make 3 incomplete double crochet next 2 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Then make chain 2 through this stitch. 1, 2. Grab the yarn, pull it through all loops, make chain 2 and make a picot stitch. Then make 3 single crochet in the chain space. 1, 2, 3. Now make slip stitch here, but you don't need to make chain 3 anymore. Okay, now make another slip stitch on the first stitch. This is the last pairs of cotton blower. Okay, now make 3 incomplete double crochet in next 3 stitches. This is 2 and this is 3. Then make chain 3 through the previous chain space. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over, pull it through all loops. Make it slowly. Okay, now after that, make chain 2 or a picot stitch. Then the work, then make a picot stitch through these 2 loops. Okay, the next one is to make 3 single crochet in the chain space, 2 and 3. The last one is to make a slip stitch on any of the stitch you found here. It doesn't matter. Okay, now I will make a slip stitch here. Then I will cut the yarn. Don't forget to hide this yarn tail. Now it's ready. You can use this pattern to make face mask adapter, bookmark, or everything you like. I hope you like these patterns and see you again on the next video.